Hey, what's up, guys and gals? Jeff Aman here with an easy eCash review. Now, this is a product about eBay, Art Flair, and a couple of others with the Black Belt team. They hooked up with a guy named Will. Hey, ladies and gents, hey, guys and gals, how's it going? Jeff Aman here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. All right, so this is a review about Easy eCash, an Easy eCash review. Now, Easy eCash is all about eBay. It is about um, finding products at a lower price and selling them at a higher price on eBay, arbitrage. So this is a complete course. I've been in the back office. I have gone through a lot of the videos myself, even though I'm not an eBay guy. And I'll be the first to tell you I am not an eBay guy. I run my own business, and I primarily do email marketing. So I learned a lot. Take it from a complete newbie. I learned a lot, and I can see the value in this as an extra income stream going through it. All right. So not only is this on the front end, alone with the front end, it is a start to finish step-by-step guide on setting up an eBay store, getting your payment links, all that kind of stuff. But also you're going to get a software that is going to allow you to go out to AliExpress, which is another huge e-commerce site, and you can source products from AliExpress and then sell them for higher prices on eBay, which is arbitrage, which is really cool. So it's a course, and it's software all in one. All right. And so here's the thing. I'm not even going to put a link in the description for you to buy through me because I'm not an eBay guy and I don't have any eBay bonuses to give you. All right. So you're probably going to find some better bonuses from people that are actually in eBay. But I do think that I can go through the course and show you, being a newbie myself to eBay, showed you what I liked about it, and I can also go through the OTOs with you and show you what that's all about. And also, before we get into the review, I've got two links in the description while you're here. You should check them out because there's lots of free stuff there for you. One, right now I'm giving people the chance to win a top YouTube software that is going to allow you to get traffic from YouTube without having to create videos like this one yourself. All right. The second one is really, really cool. It is access to a free funnel building software. No joke. And you're going to be able to build funnels, and you're going to be able to build thank you pages, sales pages, webinar pages, and you use the coupon code on that page, and you will get it for free. All right. And let's go ahead and get into the eBay. Or the, shit, I already forgot the name of it. Easy eCash back office, so I can show you what it's all about. All right, so here we are in the Easy eCash 2.0 members area, and it's going to start off with the opening intro video here, 2 minutes long. And when I say that this is a start to finish training, it really does. It covers everything from setting up your eBay account, from how to take payments, where to find stuff to sell, and you're going to get a lot of information about where to find stuff to sell. How do you know what will sell on eBay? All right, so you don't want to go out and find products that aren't going to sell at all. How to set up your listing, and then case studies. Usually with products like these, case studies are an upsell. They're not a part of the actual product. So you're actually going to get two case studies here. How to sell stuff on eBay for free. There's a lot of places on Craigslist where people are just saying, like, come pick this up. And in many cases, they're actually valuable, and you can sell them on eBay. All right, free money. Secret online places to find things to sell. All right, secret online places case study. All right, so another case study, guys. And then you're going to get the wrap up and recap. And a very cool that is actually included with this is a software called the Ali Inspector. It's AliExpress is what that stands for. AliExpress is a massive marketplace And a lot of people use AliExpress to get products for cheap and then resell on Amazon and of course eBay. All right. So there's also case studies about using the software. So a lot of information for the value here, guys. All right, a lot of information. Let's get into the OTOs so you know what to expect. All right, so the front end $12 to $17. There is a there's going to be a code in the description, and use that coupon code and you'll be able to let's see if I can find it. easyecash. I'll put it and get $3 off. You'll be able to use that coupon and get $3 off, but you're going to get everything on the front end with what you just saw that I just went through. Upsell number 1, top seller secrets. All right, these are strategies the top sellers on eBay use to explode their daily profits, and you're going to learn how to double, triple, or even quadruple your cash profits almost overnight. The honeypot secret that will place you above most other sellers on eBay. Little known yet comically easy techniques to stand head and shoulders above the rest of the crowd on eBay. Top seller secrets without bonus. That's the downsell. So it's going to be $27, and there's going to be bonuses included with that. The downsell is going to be the upgrade without the bonuses. All right, so upsell 2 is an advanced e-hack. So Amazon to eBay. All right, so how to steal products from Amazon, Target, and Walmart to quickly and easily sell on eBay for big profits. That sounds pretty interesting. All right, so the same thing here. The downsell is going to be this module, but you're going to get it without the bonuses. Upsell number 3, pack of 20 hot done for you campaigns. So 20 handpicked products from different niches that are in high demand and virtually guaranteed to sell on eBay. All right. Downsell is $47, and the downsell is 15 done for you campaigns. Upsell number 4 is reseller rights. So you'll get a completely done for you sales funnel with all the products in here, and that means you're going to get 100% commissions. All right. So that is it, guys. That is it. So these guys, Team Black Belt, they hooked up with because they're not eBay guys either, but they hooked up with a guy named Will. I can't think of his name right off the bat, but he's the one who's going to teach you this course here, and he is an eBay guy. All right, so this is coming from a guy that knows eBay in and out, and like I say, I'm a newbie to eBay. But and I'm pretty into my own business. I don't foresee myself going over to eBay, but I foresee showing my some of my brother, for instance. He's looking for a side income, and he's not interested in doing the whole online business thing. So I'm going to definitely introduce him to this, because this is something anybody can do with some spare time and make some extra cash. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, I don't have any eBay bonuses for you, so I didn't even include my link in the description. However, there are 2 links down there I think that you will get a lot of value from. One is my current software giveaway. I'm giving people the chance to win a very valuable piece of software right now that can get you traffic on YouTube. The second is also a very valuable piece of software, and that is also free, and that is a free funnel builder. A full out page builder, guys. We're talking sales pages, landing pages, webinar pages, capture pages. You can build them all with this software. You can get it free. All right, so hopefully this gave you some insight into Easy eCash, and I will see you on the next review. Have a good one.